Ever wondered why your business account balance seems a bit off? Or perhaps you're simply curious about the financial mechanics behind your Tide business account. Today, we're diving deep into a question that might have crossed your mind: what currency is used in Tide business account? Let's face it, understanding the currency your business operates in is crucial for financial planning, international transactions, and overall business management. So, let's explore the intricacies of Tide's currency system and how it can impact your financial operations. The base currency. Tide primarily operates in a base currency, which is usually the currency of the country where the account holder is located. For example, if you're based in the UK, your Tide account will likely be denominated in British pound sterling, GBP. Understanding the base currency is the primary unit of account for your business transactions. This means that all your income, expenses, and balances will be recorded in this currency. It's the foundation upon which your financial records are built. Multi-currency accounts. While the base currency is the primary unit of account, Tide also offers multi-currency accounts. This feature allows you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies within a single account. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses that operate internationally or frequently deal with clients or suppliers in different countries. How multi-currency accounts work. When you add a new currency to your multi-currency account, Tide creates a separate balance for that currency. You can then deposit and withdraw funds in that currency, and the exchange rate will be applied automatically. This can simplify your financial management and reduce the costs associated with currency conversion. Currency conversion. When you make a transaction in a currency that's different from your base currency, Tide will automatically convert the funds at the prevailing exchange rate. The exchange rate used will typically be the interbank rate, which is the rate at which banks trade currencies with each other. Exchange rate fluctuations. It's important to note that exchange rates can fluctuate over time. This means that the value of your funds in a foreign currency can increase or decrease. If you're holding a significant amount of funds in a foreign currency, it's advisable to monitor exchange rate movements and consider hedging strategies to mitigate risks. Fees and charges. Tide may charge fees or commissions for currency conversion. The specific fees will depend on the currency pair and the amount being converted. It's essential to review Tide's fee schedule to understand the costs associated with using multi-currency accounts. International payments. Multi-currency accounts can be particularly useful for making international payments. By holding funds in the currency of the recipient's country, you can avoid currency conversion fees and potentially obtain more favorable exchange rates. Tax implications. Currency fluctuations can have tax implications. If you're dealing with foreign currency transactions, it's important to consult with a tax professional to understand the relevant tax rules and regulations in your jurisdiction. To summarize, the currency used in your Tide business account is primarily determined by your location. While the base currency is the primary unit of account, Tide also offers multi-currency accounts for businesses that operate internationally. Understanding the currency system and its implications can help you manage your finances more effectively. Remember, the choice of currency can impact your financial planning, international transactions, and overall business operations. By understanding the currency system used in Tide, you can make informed decisions and optimize your financial management. If you have any further questions or would like to explore Tide's multi-currency account features in more detail, feel free to visit their website or contact their customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.